Welcome to Review Lab. The best castor sugar is probably one of the most versatile and essential ingredients in any baker's pantry, offering a finer grain than regular granulated sugar that dissolves more readily, making it ideal for delicate recipes like meringues, frostings, and sponges where a smooth texture is paramount. Its purity and consistent quality ensure that your baked goods achieve that perfect, professional finish every single time, elevating your home baking to a whole new level of deliciousness and visual appeal. Number 5. India Tree Castor Sugar, 4-pack. Experience the difference with India Tree Castor Sugar. Its fine texture dissolves instantly, perfect for delicate baking. Achieve superior results in all your sweet creations. This sugar is ideal for meringues, frostings, and light cakes. Made from pure cane sugar, it offers a clean, sweet taste. You can trust its natural quality for your recipes. Get a great value with this convenient pack of 4. You'll always have this essential baking ingredient on hand. Transform your everyday desserts into gourmet treats. Its superior quality ensures a delightful finish every time. What we like. This option comes in a convenient pack of 4, offering great value for frequent bakers. If you often bake and want to stock up, this is an excellent choice. It ensures you always have this essential ingredient on hand. What people say. The texture is truly superfine, and it works perfectly for delicate recipes that call for castor sugar. It works beautifully in recipes that call for castor sugar, dissolving easily into egg whites or batter. This particular granule size is just excellent for baking. It's less rough in texture than regular, granulated sugar, which makes it mix dissolve more quickly and cleanly. Number 4. Organic cane sugar crystals, 5 pounds. Discover the pure sweetness of our organic cane sugar crystals. It's a natural choice for all your sweetening needs. Enjoy guilt-free sweetness. This product is vegan, gluten-free, and perfect for those with dietary considerations. We care about what goes into your food. That's why our sugar is bone-char-free and non-GMO. From your morning coffee to your favorite recipes, it's the ideal sweetener for cooking, beverages, and more. Get a generous 5 pounds packet, ensuring you have plenty of this fine, natural sweetener on hand. Taste the difference of natural. It's free from preservatives, offering you a cleaner sweetening option. What we like. Looking for a sugar that aligns with specific dietary needs? This organic, vegan, and bone-char-free option is perfect for you. Its large 5 pounds bag is ideal for those who prioritize natural ingredients and use sugar in larger quantities for cooking and beverages. What people say. It's a less refined sweetener with a richer flavor profile. Organic cane crystals are typically first crystallization sugars that retain their natural color and essence. Works fine in recipes. Number 3. Medley Hills Farm Superfine Castor Sugar 2.5 pounds. Elevate your baking with our superfine castor sugar. Perfect for creating delicate cakes and smooth icings. This finely milled sugar dissolves effortlessly, ensuring a flawless texture in all your homemade treats. Proudly made in the USA, our sugar meets the highest standards for your culinary creations. Packaged in a reusable container, it's easy to store and use whenever inspiration strikes. Achieve silky smooth icing and glazes with this versatile ingredient. It's the secret to professional-looking desserts. From delicate pastries to rich cakes, this sugar provides the perfect sweetness and texture every time. What we like. Consider this if you appreciate sustainable packaging and domestically sourced ingredients. The reusable container is a nice touch for eco-conscious consumers. Its superfine texture makes it perfect for achieving smooth icings and delicate baked goods. What people say. Wonderfully fine-grained. Dissolves well in baking. The superfine sugar is of high quality and makes a big difference when making icing and glazes or other fine textured foods. The sugar is silky smooth and delicious. It's a delicate fine sugar. Number 2. JUDEE'S Gluten-Free Superfine Castor Sugar. Introducing JUDEE'S Gluten-Free Superfine Castor Sugar. It's the ideal choice for creating the most delicate desserts. Enjoy baking without worry. This superfine castor sugar is completely gluten-free, making it perfect for everyone. Our superfine castor sugar is milled to perfection. This ensures a smooth texture and even distribution in all your baked goods. Keep your sugar fresh and ready for your next baking adventure. The convenient resealable pouch makes storage easy. With an 80-ounce pack, you'll have plenty of this essential baking ingredient on hand. It's perfect for all your sweet creations. Trust JUDEE'S for your baking needs. Our gluten-free superfine castor sugar delivers exceptional results every time. What we like. For those with gluten sensitivities or who bake delicate desserts, this is your go-to. Its superfine quality ensures a smooth texture in your creations. The resealable pouch also helps maintain freshness, making it ideal for precise baking needs. What people say. It's very high quality. Baking with it turns out great. Taste is excellent, dissolves quickly, and the bag makes it easy to use without a mess. Great product. I use it for cakes and desserts for a more refined texture. And it always delivers excellent results. It is great for baking, especially cookies, because it mixes well with butter without the grittiness of regular sugar. Number 1. Domino White Sugar Quick Dissolve. Experience the pure sweetness of cane sugar. It's the perfect ingredient for all your baking and beverage needs. Our superfine sugar dissolves in an instant. Say goodbye to clumps and hello to smooth, consistent sweetness. Enjoy the delicate, superfine texture. It blends seamlessly into your recipes, enhancing every bite. The easy-to-use flip-top bottle makes measuring a breeze. Get just the right amount every time. This 12-ounce pack provides plenty of sweetness for your kitchen. It's the ideal size for everyday use. Trust in the quality you expect from Domino. Pure, simple sweetness for your family. What we like. If you need sugar that dissolves rapidly for beverages or quick recipes, this is the one. The convenient flip-top cap makes it easy to use. Choose this for its purity and speed, perfect for sweetening drinks or when you're in a hurry. What people say. Dissolves easy, no sugar crystals. Domino Superfine Sugar is great and dissolves easier in cold liquids. Superfine is exactly as described and dissolves well. This is a nice serving size and easy to use. It's priced fairly and stayed separate and did not clump as other sugared have done. I think the packaging is perfect. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.